Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, body color door handles, trailering package, HD radio, Sirius satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, cloth seat trim. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.